Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can trash and restore items. Here's the project section. Let's say we want to trash this project. So first we will click on 3 dots next to the project name. Then let's hit Delete Project. Let's click to agree and hit Delete. Our project is deleted. Now let's navigate to the trash section. Click on your profile and go to Settings. On the left, click on Trash. And here's our trash section. Here you're going to see a list of all the items that you have deleted. At the top, we have the search bar, where you can type item name to find a specific item. And on the right side, we have Clear All Trash button, which allows you to clear everything in your trash. Here's the project that we just deleted. Let's say we want to restore this project. So all we need to do is click on 3 dots next to the project name. From here, you can delete this specific project and you can also restore it. So in order to restore it, simply click on Restore. Let's click to agree and hit Restore. Our project is now restored. Let's go back to the home. And if we navigate to the project section, here we can see our project. That's how you can trash and restore items. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.